Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about this language, why the English is important. There are so many people who are very curious, who are very passionate to develop this communication skills, to learn this language. Because they need this language in their life, just because they want to do something in their life. Because this language, the people are unable to do something. I'm not telling you if you know the English and you will do this thing, you will do this thing, because this generation needs the English. Where you will go, you need English. You need English. If you want to go outside of our country, if you want to go anywhere, and just you need this language. Without this language, you cannot survive outside of our country. Just because suppose that you will go outside to earn the money to do something else, to do job, to do something else, and just you will not have this language, you will not have this skill. It means you cannot survive there, because this language is a very compulsory if you want to go outside, and you can survive there, but you will not survive fulfill life, because the people are going here and there just because of this language to enhance this communication skill in their life. And in this video, I will tell you the some point why the people are very curious, why the people are very passionate to develop this communication skill, because I have seen in different way. And also I was so passionate to develop this communication skill, and inshallah some things it became possible, and every day I practice myself to enhance my communication skill, because the practice is a more important. If you want to learn this language, the practice is a more impactable to develop this communication skill. I'm not telling you you should learn this language, you should learn this language because of this generation needs English, so you must learn this language because this generation needs English. And so that's why you need to understand about the English, why the English is important. In every product you will get in English. Why? Suppose that I will take example of Southern India. The Southern Indian people, they don't know the Hindi, and how they will recognize the different type of product if that product will be written in Hindi. Nobody can understand in Hindi in the Southern India. And just if you want to go to Southern India, you need English, and you can survive according to your perspective. You can survive, but you cannot survive the fulfilled life if you want, because the Southern Indian people, they don't know the Hindi, and just they refer English and their own language. So just I'm telling you why the English is important, and why the English is necessary in everywhere, and why the people are going here there just because of to learn this language. And the first point, suppose that I will learn the English. After learning the English, I will go outside to do job, and they will go outside and to earn the money and to do job, and they can survive because of this language. There are so many people who are very who are very passionate to develop this communication skill, because they want to earn the money in outside. I'm not telling inside our country, because everywhere you can go and everywhere you can earn the money without knowing this language. And another things, the people want to go somewhere. The people want to go somewhere because of the people want to communicate in English. Just because of this, the people want to learn this language. And while they're traveling, while they're walking, while they're doing something else, the people want to communicate in English. So that's why the people want to learn this language. The people are referring to enhance this communication skill. If I know the English, I can, and I could communicate with anyone. And in job sector, the English is very important, because if you know the English, and you will have a more chance to get a job, because you know the English, because in interviewer they need English. So that's why, because if you know the English, and it will be more helpful for you when you will give the interview anywhere, just because of to do something else. So that's why, according to the generation, according to the situation, you need to understand why the English is a compulsory, why the English is necessary to understand, to enhance this communication skill, to learn this language. And there are so many institute, and just you can join, and just you can learn this language. And also if you want to explore your knowledge, because you must have a knowledge of this language. Every person has a problem. It doesn't mean that people don't know about the English and they will have this problem, and the people know the English and they will not have any problem. It doesn't mean, and it doesn't matter, because according to the generation, according to the situation, you need to understand why the English is important, and why the people are going here and there just because of this language, and why the people are unable to do some things, and because the people are very curious to know that this language. Whatever you will have any question, whatever you will have any queries related to this language, and just you can comment me and I will reply you, and just you can contact with me. I'm here to you, and because if you want to develop this language, and I will suggest you the something. And also I'm practicing every day because to enhance this communication skill, because to be fluent in this language, because the practice is more important. The people want to learn this language, the practice is more important. It is very incredible, it is very important in the whole generation. If you want to learn this language, you will get in so many businessmen, they know the English, because they are thinking, if I don't know the English, and how can I run my business, and how can I sell my product, because in every product is in English. This language is not rocket science. And just avoid something else which is unnecessary in your life, and just I cannot tell you which is unnecessary in your life, and just you have to think, and just try to learn this language, and just you have to avoid those things who is unnecessary, who is worthless in your life, and don't focus on anything, and don't focus on anywhere which is not important for you, and just focus on skill, because nowadays the skill is very important, and in the upcoming time the skill will be the more important. So just you have to imagine, and just you have to think about this generation, and just you have to think about yourself, why the English is very important. And the practice is more important. The people are unable to do practice, because if you have any problem related to the practice, how to practice the English, and just you can comment me, and I will reply you, and I will suggest you should practice like this, you should practice like this, because this is the very important. Without the practicing, nobody can enhance this communication skill. I'm not telling you because this language is telling, because if you don't practice, if you don't focus on the practice, you cannot enhance this communication skill, you cannot learn this language. And I mean, how you practice, this is the very important. There are so many people, they don't know the way practice, because in the starting time I was unable to know about this. Actually, I was very curious to know this language and how to practice, and just I'm gaining my knowledge. We should apply this thing, we should apply these things, and I can choose any topic. And also you can choose any topic if you want to practice on the basis of any topic, and just you can choose any topic, and just you can practice. And don't go any ChatGPT, and don't go any AI to get some information related to this topic, because if you get any information, if you get any knowledge from the AI, from the ChatGPT related to this language, this will be not good for you, because you will get some knowledge, and just you will speak on the basis of what you will get, and don't get something from anywhere. And whatever you will choose any topic, and just speak on the basis of that topic. That's it. Then your knowledge will grow a lot. I'm not telling these things because I did these things, so that's why you should do these things. Because I also want to improve this communication skill, because I also want to be fluent in this language, so I practice every day. Because if you don't practice, it is not possible. You will get some information from this language, and you will be the fluent in this language. It is not possible. All right, so whatever you will get from this video, and just you have to imagine why I told you, and just you can practice, and just you can enhance your communication skill, and just you can enhance your knowledge. All right, so this is my statement, this is my the practicing what I told you, and just you can do something else in your life, and also I will do something in my life which is important, which is not important in my life. All right, so that's it. तब तक मिलते हैं, bye.